Hi, I'm Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. Today I'm going to be showing you our short reach cut and hold pruner. We like this tool for working with roses, harvesting anything within reach that might have thorns or spines, such as lemons or bougainvillea. But for roses, you'll never find a better friend in the garden. Instead of you getting scratched, you just reach into the plant, cut above your 5 stems, and it holds on to what you cut. For deadheading, you just reach in, throw it right into a pail. Deadheading becomes simple. They're not scattered all over the ground. They go right into your pail where you'd like to put them. But for harvesting again, there's no other tool like this. This is the Cut and Hold Pruner by the Wildflower Seed Company. You can go to our website, www.wildflower-seed.com. Thank you very much and happy gardening.